Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Maserati Shamal and this is by Hotwheels from their Metro series. And this is very new to me, this particular casting. Actually never owned this casting before. I never even saw this particular car itself in any poster or even any game or anything like that. So with the moment I saw this one, it felt really new. I mean, it was like, okay, I was wondering if it is actually a real car. Then I saw the name Maserati, so I bought it because I'm not sure how rare this is going to be when this case hits India. So I think this is from C case. Yeah, I think so. Again, I'm saying this. I bought a mix of three cases, so I don't know from which case most of the cars are. So only a few I am aware. Okay, so here is the casting. Okay, let's talk about first impressions. So I don't see any much of an issue here. Maybe there is a small paint job issue here. You can see the paint bubbling here. And this is actually common. You can see here in the hood. This issue is really common nowadays because, when it is in the Zamak, when it is a bare metal, you usually get this specific, this is how it actually looks when it's bare. I think they might have given only one coating, but the paint is actually really smooth compared to here. Okay, so it has some kind of detailing here. Okay, it has acrylic, not acrylic exactly. It has some plastic. It is not acrylic, but it is uh, plastic. Normal plastic for headlights, and does have the Maserati logo here. And it has rear view mirrors here. And so for headlights, sorry, for tail lights, they actually have some kind of acrylics here. So more or less, this is plastic. I mean, but it is like, we can say it is like it's an acrylic. Okay, it does have this Maserati logo here. It has exhaust details here. Okay, so this part here in the body, this till this part, everything is metal, and from the bumper here, everything here till the rear bumper, everything is the chassis and everything is plastic. Okay, there are no chassis detailing here, but the color looks really nice, and they actually went with full red. Honestly, that is really nice compared to giving a stupid chromed out chassis or something like that. Either a full, this really looks really nice, or if they went with a black chassis, that would have been also very nice. I hope you guys can see the interior detailing here. So there is some kind of, I don't know if it is a scratch or some kind of gum residue or something like that, adhesive residue. So this is like third or fourth car. It has this exact same residue in this exact same place, in this exact same angle, you can say. So it has interior details, which is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 33 grams, which is not really bad. It is a bit heavy, not too much. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It does really reach end of the track. So I noticed a wheel wobble in the front wheels. Let's see. Okay, maybe not that much, but it does have a little bit of wheel wobble in the front wheels. Okay, but the good thing is it does really roll well as well, even though it has some uh, you know wobbling on the front wheels. It does reach end of the track, and it didn't stall like half of the midway through the track or even here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.